Assalamu alaikum everybody, Nushe or me are back and we are doing egg all recipe. This time it is thoda sa healthy and also it's vegetarian. It is
aloo ke cutlets.
Mota aloo ki cutlets. We want mota aloo ki cutlets. And the ingredients bahut aasan hai. It is hari mirch, coriander, mota aloo, kali mirch, black pepper, namak, salt, lal mirch, crushed lal mirch, do ande, tail, cooking oil, and finally double roti crumbs. So we've got the mashed potatoes already mashed. It is boiled potatoes mashed. And now we just add some of the ingredients. Hari mirch and
all of the dhania.
And
half teaspoon of kali mirch.
Like that.
What do you call this?
Lal mirch.
Kutti hui lal mirch.
What?
Kutti hui lal mirch.
Kutti lal mirch.
You can try that again.
Kutti lal mirch.
There you go.
Sounds rather rude.
Just whisk that a little. I can give you a whisk.
Oh, you got a whisk? Oh.
Right here.
Right. Done. Okay.
Yep.
So now that we mixed all of this, I almost want to get made a heart.
You know what? Go for it.
Okay.
I think we should do it the Desi style.
Let's do it Desi style. Yeah. Now we're gonna make.
Yep. There you go.
Okay. Now ande dip.
Yep.
And then
in the bread.
In the breadcrumbs. Right. We have hamara cutlets here. थोड़ा सा खूबसूरत मेरा cutlets बहुत खूबसूरत है. Anusha's cutlets बहुत बदसूरत है, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं. This requires very come tail, very little tail. Okay, see it? And we literally just put thoda sa tail, pan per, and this goes in the microwave. Let's try that. You need to just grease it. That's all you need. Very little. So compared to the shallow fry, it is so healthy. And
just gonna toss them
just gonna toss
yep.
like that. You want to put some?
Yeah.
And that is it. Okay, so we have our potato cutlets and we're ready to put it in the microwave.
1 second.
Oh.
माइक्रोवेव में डालने से पहले हमको हेल्थ फ्राई का बटन दबाना है. हमें फिर उसके बाद H2 करना है और फिर कंफर्म दबाना है. फिर अभी प्री हीटिंग का प्रोसेस शुरू हो गया.
Okay, and then you just put it in?
Yeah, after it's preheated, we just put it in.
So should we get ready for hamara ugly dish? Because we've been so healthy with hamara potato cutlets, aloo cutlets, that we have to be thoda sa unhealthy a bit now. ठीक है ना?
वो तो बनता है.
So we now are going to make, whilst this preheats, we're going to make a mango lassi. Okay, right. So let's get the blender. Could you get the blender? So we've got the mangoes, chopped, 8 mango, yogurt or doodh. What's up, dude? And chini. ठीक है? ये बहुत आसान. ठीक है?
Yep.
So put the mango in.
Yogurt.
All of
the dahi.
And doodh. ठीक है ना? And then, depending on taste,
fine, we'll break our diet.
Meaty. ठीक है?
Yep.
And then, voila, blend.
There you go.
Okay, so like this, thoda, and then start.
There you go.
Like that. So I better quit whilst I'm ahead. ठीक है ना? I think that's done.
Very good.
See ya? Take that. Thank you. But we'd better taste it.
It is very nice.
Okay?
Because it's sindri.
Okay, sindri, sure. Oh, look how thick that is. Ooh.
Looks so good.
Oh. Right.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's actually sweet. I don't know why you were saying sindri sweet.
It's really good. Mango lassi is done. Now let's get on with the potato cutlets.
The microwave is preheated. बाद स्टार्ट दबा दूंगी। ये 20 मिनट्स के लिए टोटली कुक होगा। उसमें से 10 मिनट्स के बाद निकाल के उसको वापस फ्लिप करके अंदर डालना है एंड दैट्स इट।
बस?
अभी 10 मिनट हो गए हैं एक्चुअली। अभी मैं बिल्कुल आई एम गोना ओपन द माइक्रोवेव और खुद ही पॉज हो जाएगा।
You okay there? Should I take it out?
Yeah, you want to take it out?
So we just take this out like this, and we just flip.
Yeah.
How much do you want me to do?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
See that? Oh, look at them. They're already crisp.
They're already golden brown from one side. There you go.
And then we just put it back in.
Yep. And start.
Great. And then just press again.
Yep. Start.
Voila.
अब बस 10 मिनट कुक होगा, उसके बाद it's ready to eat.
Done.
Oh,
Now I'm getting
this
hungry.
is gonna be good.
Let's get them out. Okay, do you want me to?
Okay, I can do it.
No, you do the
There you go.
presentation. I've got longer arms.
Let's do it.
Okay.
It's a
There
struggle,
you go.
isn't
It's a
it?
struggle. Right.
There you go.
These are so healthy.
That's mine. It's broken.
Okay, you can only fit 4 on, I think. Are you ready to taste it? Don't
Yes.
touch that, that's hot. Okay,
Is it
Off.
hot?
I noticed you're trying mine.
You can try mine. Okay, this is really hot.
Ready? 1, 2. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Hot, but good.
It's really, really
Durham.
good.